Okay, how's it going, everyone? I was making a video before about FFIE, and I was like saying, you can look into my YouTube. If this doesn't touch the EMA5, I would have been very surprised. And here's the recipe of this big, mean reversion type of play. If you looked at it, this was really not an EMA20 type of play because as you can see, this blue band is my EMA20. Algos will hit it, it gets rejected, it acts as resistance. Anybody that watches my content or in my Discord, you understand that we don't take the trade at the EMA20. We just don't. And so what happens is it dropped down. So what I say is this is your time distance. The last touch of the EMA20 was 731. Current date is 822. You don't usually often get these kind of fast candles to the EMA20, but I will say this, guys. The reason why I liked FFIE is because we have not been near we have not touched this EMA5, which is this purple band, in a very long time. We got the reverse split out of the way, so we did a 1 for 40. We went down a little bit, but look at this beautiful setup here near the ATR4, not touching the EMA5, and then massive room to the EMA10. And we're above the EMA10, which is awesome. I was just like, holy crap, 83% on the day, 20% yesterday. I would have easily taken the gains out, probably the EMA5. I did not expect something like this to happen, so I'm just being in hindsight, I would not have held it this long. But if you guys are holding this, sometimes acts as resistance. But I have seen it just go straight to the EMA20 on the next day, and it could go to the ATR4. But I don't want you guys to have your hopes for that. I would say this is a nice gain. If you followed this system, took the areas here, accumulated it, you would have made massive gains. So FFIE was played a lot of the times in my channel. Way back here, as you can see, every time we get close to this ATR4 band, what happens is we pump. The likelihood of it pumping, especially when there's long EMA20 time distance, and we get that nice move up. Here's another example. We get near the ATR4, right here. Look at where the accumulation zone is. This is where sellers get exhausted. They start covering their shorts, and the buyers come in, and look at this pump to the 10 and down. I would have, even a EMA5 pump would have made you massive gain, EMA10, and then we finally revert to the mean at the 20. But once again, we would never take our trades at the 20. So I just want to make that clear. So this is FFIE. This is my analysis. I made a video last time. I'm just coming back up. When I was making the video, I was saying, okay, we're due for this EMA5 pump. And that's what we got right in here. We had a little bit of candles here, but the volume, we're at 40 million volume. So this is definitely due for the move up. The move makes sense with the volume it has. And a lot of the times what I see, guys, is you have these reverse splits. A couple days it goes down, and then you have a massive bump. You see these all the time right in here. So I just want to say congrats who took it. Follow this system. I promise you guys, you will be a profitable trader. Just remember the time distances. 2 months is long for EMA20. 1 month is long for EMA10. We touched it 731. It's 822. So we were about at that 1 month mark. We were near this ATR4. We had massive time distance away from the EMA5. Look at this. We didn't touch the EMA5. Our last touch was clearly seen right here. You can clearly see a candle right on it. So what happens is we didn't touch it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And look what happens. We were so due for EMA5. We were near the ATR4, giving us a strong buy signal, and then the massive pump, along with a reverse split happening. This was due for a pump. All the recipe was there. I'm just like, oh, I wish I was in this trade. I'm in 3 other stocks right now. If you guys want to see it, join the Discord. At least understand how to fish, right? This thing's going up on 90% gains. Understand how to fish, understand how to trade, so you can spot these reversals yourself. I'm willing to teach you guys how I do it. You can look at my chart. I do live streams. You can get your chart set up like mine. I have all the videos. As long as you're willing to put in the work, I promise you guys will be a successful trader. We are now at 90% on FFIE. Congrats, guys. This is what a beautiful, when everyone's scared to take the trade, not me, right in here, all day long, it meets the system. So if you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What I want you to do is head on over to the server shop in the top left, and you will see when you click this, I'll teach you guys how to trade like a pro. And I offer 2 services. Very cheap. It will cost you less than a McDonald's meal, For only 12 bucks a month, you'll get access to the Day and Swing Trading Plus, and it accesses all these subscriptions over here. All of them will be unlocked for literally only 12 bucks a month. It will never increase, and if you subscribe on your computer, it'll be that flat rate. If you do it on your phone, iOS does charge a fee, so it'll be like 13, 14. So try to do it on your computer. And we just did monster alerts today. Everyone's happy today. We did IWM. We went for IWM calls. They look like this. The alerts: strike 2, 114, 118, and will accumulate. And we went up all the way up to 135 from 118, made it over 10% gains. And then we did another IWM at 80 cents to $1 right here, making well over 20% gains. So this is the strategy. Day trades are obviously my favorite because a lot of people are like, I don't have a lot of money to swing trade. I have to accumulate properly. So then try day trading or also doing prop firm futures. I was able to fund an account. I have over $50,000 for futures trading, doing this exact strategy that I got funded for only 4 days. The strategy works. It's over 95% win ratio. You can catch my live streams in the description if you guys want to see how I do it. But yeah, this is FFIE. Congrats whoever took it. Just want to do analysis. I would take the profit at the 10. Usually times we can go above it, sure. There's not as much room to the 20, but we could easily reject, and you don't want to, if you got in a nice entry where I liked it, then you're up massive, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Join the Discord. If you guys like this video, give a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.